Hey, it's Joanne, and I wanted to tell you tonight for dinner we're going to have stir fry on the big green egg. So I wanted to show you what we're going to put on. So here we have snow peas. I believe this is zucchini, eggplant, onions, yellow squash, and then here we have green bell peppers and broccoli. And we're also going to have chicken as our protein is just thawing. So our pitmaster's here, and we will be using the cast iron, I think it's Logic.
Yep.
Wok on the big green egg. So we have the egg going. What temperature are we trying to get to?
We're trying to get to 300.
We're not there yet.
The wok is on there warming up. It's cast iron, so it needs to warm up with the egg. We're just oiling the wok right now. As it warms up, as that cast iron gets heated, the metal starts to expand, and you just kind of rub some oil in there just to keep seasoning it. You never wash it really hard or anything like that. You just rinse it out, and each time you use it, just keep building up oil on it, getting it to where it's non-stick. Around the bell pepper, we added the onions. I add a little bit of sauce to it. I'm going to add a little bit more sauce to it. You just add a little bit of sauce at a time because the vegetables are going to sweat down, and you don't want it to be a soup in there. Alright, we're kind of pushing the vegetables up to the side. We're going to dump our chicken right in the center. Get that down onto the black cast iron. Huh?
It sparked me.
It sparked you? Some little pieces fall out. You get that chicken down to the end.